I've just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Now we have our AEG microwave. Okay, first we showed you the cooker, now it's the microwave. But what I wanted to, the reason I done this one was, see the cable, see the thickness of the cable. This is the cable that is running your microwave, and if you look on the back of it, the connectors are different, and you can see it hasn't got the markings on it, but you see your earth is always to the chassis, the body, whatever. All right, and you've got it on here. All right, so next is your neutral, which is blue, and your live, which is brown. Now your live brown always go to your fuse. Now I don't know this, I'm sure this has got to be hardwired as well, because you don't buy independent plugs now. Everything comes with a molded plug, so the only way around that is to get the plug fitted the opposite way around, so you'll be connecting these wires in there. But if you look at them, the connectors on them, you can see they're held in with torque bolts, and they just slide underneath. So basically you just undo it, slide it underneath, lock it down, make sure it's secure, give a little tug on your cable, and this one here, you would have undone that to put your cable in. Once you put it back in, you got everything fitted up and nice and tidy. You lock that down to stop any movement on your cable. Right, and that's about it. So there you go, that's the gauge cable you're looking for, and that will work just fine. That's your, can't see what that says on there. Might have to zoom in to have a look at that says on the cable. That'll probably give you a cable size and everything that you'd need to buy to install this thing. Alright, so I can't see it, but I'm trying to get a good shot of it, so if you need to zoom in on it, you can see what you need to connect up your oven. Okie dokie. So that's our oven and microwave. This bit here, you see these little legs? They just press in and clips in, just something like that. There you go. And that's secure, that's covered. Okay, there on the front of it, and there, I'm trying not to get myself in it, is where you would secure it to your unit. There's what it comes with, shelving, and this bit here taped down at the bottom. Not sure what that is. Should we open it and see? Yeah, why not? Come with fast and kind of way. I'm trying to find something to open it with. That's not sharp. There we go. Cut against this and just do this. That is just your normal microwave tray, dish, square. Okay, so from Tradespeople's Tips, till next time, don't start it if you ain't doing it, and if you're doing it, stop robbing people. Alright, see you later.